So in this particular verse by Rupa Goswami, 92 of chapter 5, Sakhi Prakaran, giving an example of the Swadhin Bhartrika, Swadhin Bhartrika, the gopi lover that controls Krishna. And this is Radharani experiences all these 8 different Naika bhavas, moods of a heroine, but her primary one that she's famous for, and it predominates her character and distinguishes Radharani from all the other gopis and sakhis in Vrindavan, is her Naika bhav of Swadhin Bhartrika. And that's her 25th quality, which adorns Radharani's transcendental divine personality. She fully controls her Krishna by her love. Krishna is the Ishvara of everyone except Radharani. Radharani is the Ishvara of the Ishvara. So Krishna's Ishvara is called the Parameshwari, and Parameshwari is Radharani. Parameshwari Shrimati Radharani ki jai. So in this example, Brinda Devi is speaking to Purnamasi, and she's saying, Mura Kurvan Patran Kuran. Mura Kurvan Patran Kuran. Anupamam Pinakuchaya. Amazing, sounds good. Mura Kurvan Patran Kuran Anupam Pinakuchaya. Pinakuchaya. Shruti Dwandve Gandharita. Shruti Dwandve Gandharita Marupam Indivara Yugmam Sakelam Damilopari Sakelam Damilopari Chakamalam Komalam Aso Chakamalam Komalam Aso Nirabharam Radam Ramayati Chiram Keshidamana. You know some Sanskrit, you can really relish, study more Sanskrit. Nirabharam Radam Ramayati. Nirabharam Radam Ramayati. Chiram Keshidamana. All these names are being, it's all about killing all these names. Rupa Goswami is on a roll here. And one verse after the other, when he's talking about Krishna, because these are all different kinds of, we're talking about Nayaka Bhavas, and most of them it's about Krishna being nasty. The Avisarika, Radharani's running to Krishna. And you just look at these Bhavas. The Avisarika, Radharani's running to Krishna. And the Vasak Saja, Radharani's waiting and hoping to see Krishna. And then he's very late and delayed, and she becomes Utkantita. So she's an Avisarika Nayaka, then a Vasak Saja, waiting, hopeful lover. And she becomes an Utkantita, stood up lover. Then he doesn't come, and she's cheated and broken-hearted, devastated. Kandit, appointment broken, love broken, meeting broken, heart broken. And then there's the regretful, quarreling lover, that he finally comes. He finally gets there. I've been an Avisarika lover for Krishna. I've been a Vasak Saja lover for Krishna. I've been an Ukantita lover for Krishna. I've been Vipralabdha, stood up. Now he finally comes. No, I've been stood up, and then he doesn't even come, and he breaks everything. Then he finally comes at sunrise with lac marks from the gopi's feet on his forehead, and kumkum on his chest from embracing her breast, and bite marks on his neck. So now I become. Then I argued with him, and then he left, and then I'm regretting. So I'm Kalahantarita, and then Radhisham. So then not only he Dandavas. So not only he left, but then he went to Mathura and Dwarka. Then on Proshita Bhartrika. So out of the 8 types, the Ashtanayaka bhavas,